In this video, you're going to learn how to make an extra $300 every single day by using done-for-you AI art. For free, by the way. This method works worldwide, 100% legal and copyright owned by you. You can get paid wherever you live by using Wise, Payeer, Payoneer, and PayPal. Anyone can do this. All you have to do is literally type in some words and it's completely free, so it's free money. So for this method, you're going to be using two tools. One of them is called DALL-E. And DALL-E is a AI that can create any type of art depending on what you write, what commands you give it. If you've been following my videos, then you've seen something similar to this one before, but the other one's on Discord, and it's the second tool that you're going to be able to use to perform this method. As you can see here, these are all images that were created by people using this AI machine. This is a very powerful tool and it's completely free. All you have to do to be able to create art in this software is just to give it some commands, something related to man walking on the moon. Now it's creating the art based on what I told it to create. As you can see, it created 4 variations of the command that I told it to create. So man walking on the moon, it gave me 4 options, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can choose whichever one I want. Let's say I want this one. When I click on this one, I can either edit the image or I can create variations of it, or I can basically just save the image. So let's go back and write something else, like girl studying on her room with headphones on. Let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, it has 4 images of 4 girls studying with a headphone on. You might think that these are images from real people, but this is actually something that the AI created. So these are not real girls. They created these people. They don't exist. This is just a drawing. Just from these images, you can see how powerful this tool is. Let's say you wanted to go through this image here. This one is the most realistic one in my opinion, and you wanted to expand this image. You wanted to make it bigger. You wanted to add something else to the image, right? All you have to do is click here on edit. You click here on this plus button, add generation frame, and it's going to generate this square thing for you. All you have to do is click where you want to add anything, click on it, and then you want to give it a command, right? I'm just going to give it the command to expand, so expand. As you can see, it's loading here. It might take some time depending on the computer that you're using. So as you can see, it expanded the image up further up on the place where I placed the frame, right? So if you want to create more, you can just place more frames here and expand the image as much as you want. Let's say I wanted to expand the image more to the side here. Let's cancel this one that I did on the top side and let's do it to the left side. Expand it here. Now, as you can see, DALL-E expanded on my image. So now I have a girl and I have some books on the left side or right side, depending on which side you're looking at. And I can completely use this image copyright free. I can sell it. I can use it commercially. I can do anything I wanted. And the software is also free, which is kind of crazy if you stop to think about it. And how do I know it's free? Because it says on their terms of service, they let you do anything that you want with the pictures and images that you generate using DALL-E. But bear in mind that they can also use these images. So let's say you start selling your images, they can also start selling those same images. They also hold the rights for the images, which I think is just fair for them to ask. You're going to be making money using these, so why can't they do the same? Now, the second option that you have is to go into the Discord, join this Discord server right here, which I've shown here on the channel before. Now, this one, I'm not the professional using it, but I'm going to teach you the basics. If you want to learn how to use this software properly, you have to go into my last video, which I'm going to leave the link at the end of this one that you can just click and watch to learn how to operate this one. This one can also generate you insane images. As you can see here, people are generating these images on the spot, and the AI is just drawing them out of the blue. These are images that are being created in real time. They do not exist. You can just use them, sell them. You can do anything you want to these images. Take a look at this one. It looks like a real picture of a real place, of a real woman. Look at this one. This one is just insane. It looks like someone drew this, a real person drew this image. And if I wanted to, I could just click on any of these images and downloaded them. Let's say that I wanted the 4th one, I could just create here. The AI would create a bigger version of that image, as you can see here when I clicked on it, and I could just go into the picture, open it as original, download it, and be able to use it to sell it to anyone. Let's say I wanted to generate my own image. All I have to do is go here, /imagine, and I can type in anything that I want. The more detailed, the better, so I can tell the AI what to draw for me to be able to use it. Let me go ahead and copy the command that this guy used here to create an image of LA, which is a city that I live in. So let's try to create it, but I'm going to try to create it in a 16:9, which is just a landscape image. Let's try to use it. So as you can see, I typed in the message and the AI actually didn't recognize my parameter. So I typed in the actual same command that the other guy used, and as you can see here, the AI is generating a different image for me. Okay, so the AI has gone ahead and created 4 versions of the image that I told it to create, and I'm going to choose the 4th one here, which is just a city. Looks really dope. Now what it's going to do is it's going to create the full image. So now as you can see, the AI created the full image, which is just insane, man. I just get impressed every single time I use this AI. Let me download this picture. So that's how you create the image using both of the AIs, DALL-E and and this other one using Discord. Now, if you're excited to learn how to make money online, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, because that's all I teach here on this channel. I make free videos every single week that you don't want to miss, with different methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you're going to miss the future videos. And while you're at it, go ahead and sign up for the subscriber fund, which I give out $50 to my subscribers every single Friday here on the channel. All you have to do is sign up for free using the link in the description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen right now. Now, with all that said, let's get to making some money. Now, if you're wondering, but Reese, that's great and all, but do people actually buy these things? Well, let me show you something just to raise your confidence. If you go into Etsy.com, you're going to be able to see lots of stores that are selling these very, very successfully. As you can see, these are selling like 2,700 times, 5,000 times, 2,000 times, and all of these have 5 stars. They're 5 stars, reviewed 5 stars. So people actually love these. They actually sell out, to be honest. And you might be asking, how do these sell out if they're like a digital thing, right? It's because people actually make only one version of each, just so they create a kind of scarcity in the mind of the buyer. So that way they can create lots of different style of paintings to be able to sell. And each one of them are going to be unique, right? So this store is doing it very, very successfully. If you go into Etsy and you search for painting, you're also going to be seeing that people are selling every single type of style of painting. Let's say this city, I think this is Venice, right? In Italy. Yeah, that's correct. This is Venice in Italy. This is just a wall art of someone. This is family art. This is some kind of antique portrait of Saint Peter Canisius, which I'm not really sure who he is. But as you can see, people are making paintings of all types of things and selling them here on Etsy. Some of them even go for as high as $175, $149, $157. If you search for animal drawing paintings, you're going to be seeing people selling paintings with animal drawings, and you can easily create these types of drawings using the AI. All you have to do is specify on the AI what type of drawing you want to create, and it's going to draw those for you. So I went back to DALL-E and I typed in animal hand drawing beautiful painting, and it came up with these 4 images. If you could easily sell this one on the left. I could just open this one and search for variation. It's going to draw 4 variations of this same image for me. And as you can see, now we have 4 different styles of the same image. Actually, 5 styles of the same image that we can easily use to be able to sell on Etsy. And one thing that I want to mention to you here really quick is, if you want to start a YouTube channel that generates you income on autopilot, then the Pro University course is on sale for only $247, which is bar none the cheapest YouTube course you're going to find out there. It's going to teach you A to Z of all that I did to grow my channel from 0 to 200,000 subscribers in 6 months and over 30,000 of revenue per month. If you want to learn how to do that, just find the link in the description and go get your lifetime access. Now, for you to perform this method, you're going to need some type of print on demand store, and I've shown this here on the channel before, and I'm going to point you at the end of this video to the video that you're going to learn how to create and connect your store to Etsy to be able to sell these on autopilot. On the same video, I'm also going to show you how I generated $95 in sales in the first 20 minutes of advertising my products, and how you can do the same thing. So for that method, you're going to be using Printify and also Shopify. All links will be in a text file in the description of this video, or you can just scan the QR code on your screen right now to be redirected to the text file. So all you have to do here is start a free trial, and on Printify, the same thing. Remember, I'm going to point you at the end of this video to the video that's going to show you how to create an account in both of these websites. Now, let's say you decided to download this image, but you want a larger image to be able to fill a very, very big painting, a very, very big art. What you're going to do is you're going to download the image. You're just going to click save. You're just going to click here and download the image to your computer. After you've done that, the website that you're going to visit is this website here, which is called imageenlarger.com. The link is also going to be in a text file for you, neatly organized, and all you have to do is create an account to be able to use this website. Now, once you're in the website, all you have to do is select the image that you downloaded from the software, and then select the image, open it, and then click start. As you can see, I chose for the software to enlarge my image by 2 times. So it's going to enlarge my image by twice, and it's going to fill in the gaps with artificial intelligence. These 3 tools actually are very, very powerful tools that you can use with anything, not just with DALL-E, not just with the Discord AI software, but with your own personal pictures. You could use them. If they have low quality, you could just bring them here, drop them here, and enlarge them using this AI software, which is free, by the way. Now I'm just going to click download, and as you can see, it has made the picture twice as large using AI software. Look how huge it is. I could easily use this to make some kind of painting, some kind of art, and be able to sell them easily on Etsy. So just in case you got lost, I'm going to explain to you how you're going to make money using this method, and also I'm going to explain to you step by step how to do it again. So the way you're going to be using this to make money is by going into DALL-E or to the Discord AI, creating an image, watching my other video on how to create an account on Printify, create your account, and list those images for sale. And also, if you want to win free money, sign up for Webull, that they're going to give you 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600 just for signing up and making an initial deposit of at least $1. No catch, just sign up, make a deposit of $1. They're going to give you 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600. All you have to do is sell the shares, cash out, and that's it, free money. Now, the step-by-step of what you have to do is go to DALL-E or the Discord AI, create your image. Number 2, go to Etsy.com and create your account. Number 3, go and register for Printify. Number 4, connect your Printify account to Etsy. Remember, that's going to be shown in the video that I'm going to point you towards right now. Number 5, upload your design. Number 6, comment free money on the comment section of this video so that I know that you watched until the end. And if you want to see the video that's going to teach you all that you need to know about how to create your account and link them both to be able to make sales, go ahead and click the thumbnail on the screen right now to be redirected to that video. I'll see you there. Work hard, play hard.